हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज प्रमोद कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं स्टडी जीके मैथ्स यूट्यूब चैनल्स। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं द चैप्टर ऑफ सीबीएसई बोर्ड। फर्स्ट चैप्टर नेम इज द रेशनल नंबर। व्हाट इज द रेशनल नंबर? हाउ कैन यू सोल्व द रेशनल नंबर क्वेश्चंस? Here is one example is here. Example is which of the numbers 3 by minus 4 or minus 5 by 6 is greater. You have two rational numbers. You will find which rational number is greater. So, how can you find? So then we solve this rational number which will be the greater. Now, here is given that one rational number equal 3 upon minus 4 and other rational number equal minus 5 upon 6. Then here is numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. Next rational number numerator is minus 5 or denominator is 6. Firstly, take the LCM of denominator of both rational numbers. Rational number is here. LCM of 4 and 6. What will be the result? Firstly, you have to calculate 3 minus 3 upon 4. You can say, and this number is also here. Now LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So what is the LCM? You will get 4 and 6 LCM. 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 equal 2 2 are 4 into 4 3. 4 3 are 12. So your LCM is 12. Now take one rational numbers and denominator will be same as a LCM. Take minus 3 upon 4 equal minus 3 upon 4 into what will be the number you should multiply so that your denominator is 12. Here I would think the number is 3. Then multiply, denominator is 3. Now minus 9 upon 12. And other rational number is minus 5 upon 6. Minus 5 upon 6. What will be the number? You should multiply. Then you will find 12. There is number is 2. Minus 10 upon 12. Your result is here minus 9 upon 12 and minus 10 upon 12. Clearly, denominator is both are same. Now you will find the result minus 9 is greater or minus 10 is greater. Here that is result is minus 9 and minus 10. Sorry, 10. So your result is greater than minus 9. So then you can say that this 9 is from this rational number and minus 10 is from this rational number. You can say that clearly minus 9 upon 12 greater than minus 10 upon 12. Hence you can say that minus 3 upon 4 greater than equal minus 5 equals 6. This is your answer. You will take next question. Here is the question. Chapter exercise number 1A. Question is express minus 3 upon 5 as a rational number with denominator A. First question 20, second minus 30, third 35 and fourth minus 40. Child, you know that rational number is the form of p by q. P by Q. P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. So you will calculate this rational number as a denominator 20. How can you find? Now we have first question 20. Your rational number is minus 3 upon 5 equal. Your denominator is 5. Then you will find what should be multiplied in this number. Your result is 20. Minus 3 upon 5 into, you should multiply 4. Then result is minus 12 upon 20. So see here is denominator is 20. So your result is, as per question first, minus 12 by 20. Next question is minus 30. Then rational number is minus 3 by 5 equal minus 3 upon 5 multiply. You will get the minus 30. You multiply, you must multiply minus 6 top and bottom. Minus plus 18 upon minus 30. Your result is here. And next question is 35. Your rational number is minus 3 upon 5 equal minus 3 upon 5 into 5. Result is minus 3 5 minus 50 and denominator is 25. Your result is here. And just we take the next question is 4 number. Your denominator should be minus 40. Rational number is given that minus 3 upon 5. Minus 3 upon 5 you should multiply. You will get minus 40. Then you have to multiply minus 8 and top is the minus 8. Minus is multiplied plus 24 upon minus 40. This is your answer. So you can find very easily this question answer. Simply multiply the denominator. What should be multiplied? Your denominator will get 20 minus 30, 35 and 40. Then I will take next question. The next question is question number 2. Express minus 42 upon 98 as a rational number with denominator 7. Your rational number is minus 42 by 98. You can write solution. Minus 42 upon 98. What should be divided in 98? You will get the result. Denominator is 7. Here we find minus 42 divide and 98 divide. The table of 14 7 jar 98. 14 7 jar 98. Then you should divide by 14 in denominator part and 14 as a numerator part. Then your result is, just you calculate 14 tables. So 14 1 are 14, 14 2 are 42, 28 and 43 are 42. Means result is minus 3 upon 14 7 are 98. Your denominator is 7 and numerator is 3. Your question is that denominator should be 7. Your result is denominator 7. This is your answer. Now I take next question. Your next question is question number 3. Express minus 48 by 60 as a rational number with denominator 5. There is 5. You should what number be multiplied in this, divide. Your result is 5. Solution is here. Minus 48 by 60. Your result is, what should be number be divided. Result is here minus 48 upon 60. Minus 48 by 60 divide 12 by 12. Your table is 12 5 jar denominator 5. The result is 12 4 jar minus 48 upon 60 12 5 ja 16. Your result is minus 4 by 5. Answer. I will take next question. Your next question is here. Question number 4. Express each of the following rational number in standard form. Question is first minus 12 by 30. Question number second minus 14 by 49. 24 by minus 64. Minus 36 by 93. You will find the in standard form. How can you find the standard form? Question is first minus 12 upon 30. Then you should find out the greatest common divisor. 12 and 30 means greatest common divisor 12 and 30. What should be number? Simply you find greatest common divisor as per this. 12 divide 30. 12 2 ja 24. Just subtract 1, take carry, borrow 10, 6. You cancel out 6, 12. 6 2 ja 12 minus cancel. The greatest common is 12 and 36. Greatest common divisor 12 and 30 is 6. Then minus 12 by 30 equal minus 12 divide your greatest common divisor 6 and 30 as divide by 6 equal 6 2 ja minus 12 or 6 5 ja 30. This is in standard form. Standard form. Your result is minus 12 2 by 5. Okay, I take next question. Second question is here minus 14 by 49. Greatest common divisor 14 and 49 is, you can find simply by divide rules. 14 49, 14 1 are 40, 42 are 28, 43 are 42, 43 are 42. Just subtract, your result is 7 here, and again you will find 7 2 are 14 minus your greatest common is 7. Simply take this greatest common. Minus 14 upon 49 equal minus 14 divide by 7 divide 49 divide by 7. 7 2 ja minus 2 and 7 7 ja 49. This is your answer. You can say that this is in a standard form. Now I will take next question. Next question is 24 by minus 64. There is also you find greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor 24 and 64 is. How can you find greatest common divisor? Simply divide 24 64. 24 2 are 48, 24 3 are 72. Here is 64. So 24 2 are 48. Subtract this 7 1 carry 14 6. Here is 4 here. Next is 24. 61 are 16. Here is result minus 8. Cancel out 16. 16 8 2 are 16. Remainder is 0. So greatest common divisor is 8. Here rational number 24 upon minus 64. Simply 24 divided by your greatest common divisor and minus 64 divided by 8. Then 8 3 is 24 and 8 8 is minus 64. Your result is 3 upon minus 8. This is in standard form. This is in standard form. I will take next question. Next question is minus 36 by minus 63. Simply you multiply minus 1 numerator and denominator. Minus 63. Minus 1 into minus 1. Result is 36 upon 63. Now same question is here. Greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor 36 and 63 is. How can you find greatest common divisor? Simply divide 36 63. 63 divide by 36. 36 2 is 72. 72 is the greater than 63. Your result is 36 1 is 36. Just subtract this. One take one borrow. Result is 13 minus 6 7 2. 60 36. 27 1 is 27. Subtract this 3. How can you subtract 16? 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now divide by 9. Divide 27. 9 3 is 27. Remainder is 0. So your greatest common divisor is 9. Now you will take this greatest common divisor and divide numerator and denominator. Your result is 36 upon 63. Then simply 63 divide by 9 upon 63 divide by 9 equal 9 4 is 36. 9 7 is 63. Your standard form is 4 by 7. This is your answer. You can say that also this is in a standard form. I take next question. Question number 4. 5. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in the given pair? Each question contains pair of rational number. You will find greatest rational number. Simply, I take one example in line. You can say